Welcome to Czech IT Hub.
Have you ever pondered the possibility of other life forms existing in this vast, infinite universe? It's a thought that could send shivers down your spine, isn't it? The universe in its grandeur stretches out infinitely, with billions upon billions of galaxies, each teeming with countless stars and planets. It's hard to believe that we are the only life forms in such a vast cosmic ocean. In the quest to discover life beyond Earth, the Kepler Space Telescope has been a game-changer. Acting as our cosmic binoculars, this remarkable piece of technology has discovered more than 2,000 exoplanets orbiting distant stars. Some of these distant worlds lie in what astronomers call the Goldilocks zone, the habitable zone where conditions could be just right for life as we know it to exist. With such a vast number of potentially habitable planets, the question is not, is there life beyond Earth, but rather, where is all the life? Enter the Drake equation. A mathematical formula devised by astrophysicist Frank Drake in 1961, it estimates the number of civilizations in our own Milky Way galaxy. The equation takes into account factors like the rate of star formation, the fraction of those stars with planetary systems, and the number of planets that could potentially support life. But here's the kicker. Even the most conservative estimates using the Drake equation suggest that there should be thousands of civilizations in our galaxy alone. Extrapolate that to the countless galaxies in the universe and the numbers become mind-boggling. So here we are, a mere speck of dust in the cosmic sea, staring out into the infinite, pondering our place in the universe. If we accept the possibility of life on other planets, what would it look like if we encountered an alien race? The possibilities are as limitless as the universe itself, and exploring them is an adventure that's just waiting to unfold. Imagine, if you will, a scenario where humanity makes its first contact with an alien civilization. In the vast, uncharted expanses of the cosmos, our explorers, voyaging on the wings of cutting-edge technology, stumble upon an unexpected surprise. An alien civilization as mysterious as the dark side of the moon, as enigmatic as the twinkling of distant stars. The initial shock hits like a comet. Our hearts race, our minds whirl. The reality of being not alone in this infinite universe is as staggering as the cosmos itself. We are like children suddenly realizing our home is not the only house on the block. In the face of this revelation, confusion ensues. Our languages, our expressions, our very thoughts are alien to them, as theirs are to us, but we are not without tools. Our technology, the offspring of human ingenuity and curiosity, steps up to the challenge. Imagine machines designed to decipher the undecipherable, whirring into action. Algorithms born from the marriage of linguistics and artificial intelligence begin to unravel the tangled threads of communication. The hum of supercomputers fills the air as they crunch numbers and symbols, seeking a common ground, a shared language. Slowly, the veil of confusion begins to lift. A word here, a symbol there, and suddenly a sentence. A bridge forms. A connection is made. We learn from them, they learn from us. An exchange of knowledge, ideas, and culture. An interstellar dialogue commences. Through this dialogue, we realize that despite our differences, we share a common thread. The pursuit of knowledge, the curiosity for the unknown, the desire to reach beyond the stars. It's a universal language, a cosmic bond that binds us all. And so we find ourselves in the midst of an interstellar dialogue, forever changing our perspective on life and our place in the universe. In the grand scheme of things, we are but a speck of dust in the cosmic ocean, yet we are not insignificant. For in this vast, infinite universe, we have made a connection. We have reached out, and something has reached back. As we venture further into the cosmos, we may find ourselves not just visitors, but settlers on alien planets. This brings us to a new age of exploration, where we don't just aim to discover, but to inhabit and thrive in these new worlds. But how do we get to that point? The journey to becoming intergalactic settlers requires immense technological advancements. Imagine creating an environment suitable for human life on a planet that might have no breathable air, insufficient gravity, or extreme temperatures. We'd need to develop advanced terraforming technologies capable of altering an entire planet's environment, We'd also need faster-than-light travel to reach these distant worlds within a human lifespan. It's a monumental task, but if achieved, it would mark a new era in human history. But what happens when we get there? Let's say we've found a planet right in the Goldilocks zone, perfect for human life. We've terraformed it, built our cities, and started a new life. All seems well, but there's a catch. We're not alone in this universe. Interactions with other intelligent life forms could be peaceful, but they could also lead to conflicts. These could stem from territorial disputes, resource scarcity, or even cultural misunderstandings. Picture this: two civilizations both needing the same rare mineral for their survival. Or imagine two races laying claim to the same planet, both believing it's their right to inhabit it. These scenarios could lead to interstellar conflicts, the likes of which we've never seen before. In the face of these potential conflicts, we would need not just technological advancements, but also a deeper understanding and respect for different cultures, races, and life forms. We would need to learn to navigate these disputes, find common ground, and establish peaceful coexistence. Interstellar exploration is not just about discovery, but also about survival, adaptation, and sometimes conflict. It's about creating a new home among the stars and learning to live peacefully with our cosmic neighbors. What does the future hold for humanity as we take our first tentative steps into the wider cosmos? The answer to this question lies in the realm of possibilities, as infinite and varied as the stars themselves. As we venture forth, the future of interstellar exploration will likely be shaped by amazing technological advancements. One of these potential advancements is faster-than-light travel. Imagine, if you will, spacecraft zipping through the cosmos at speeds that defy our current understanding of physics. These starships would shrink the vast distances of space, making far-flung galaxies reachable within a human lifetime. Another breakthrough we might see is the creation of wormholes. The concept of wormholes, which are bridges through the fabric of space-time, have long been a staple of science fiction. But they might well be the key to our future in space. These cosmic shortcuts could potentially allow us to traverse light years in the blink of an eye, opening up an entire universe of exploration. But it's not just about technology. The future of interstellar exploration also hinges on our ability to coexist and cooperate with other races we may encounter. The thought of first contact can be daunting, even terrifying, yet it's also exhilarating. Imagine the exchange of ideas, the blending of cultures, the shared pursuit of knowledge. The potential for peaceful coexistence is there, if we approach it with open minds and hearts. We stand on the brink of a new era, one that promises to redefine what it means to be human. As we step into the cosmos, we are not just explorers, but ambassadors, representing not just our planet, but our capacity for curiosity, for empathy, for peace. As we gaze upon the stars, we can only wonder what awaits us in this grand cosmic journey. The future of interstellar exploration is a vast, uncharted territory, filled with challenges and opportunities. But one thing is certain: our journey into the stars will be the greatest adventure humanity has ever undertaken. In our exploration of the stars, we may find more than just new worlds and civilizations. We've traversed the vast expanse of our narrative, from the boundless universe to the electrifying first contact, the thrilling settlement and conflict, and the promising future of interstellar exploration. Each step of this journey has been a mirror, reflecting not just the potential of the cosmos, but our own potential as well. We've glimpsed a future where we are not confined to our home planet, where we can interact with other races and learn from them. We've seen how the challenges of settling new worlds and overcoming conflicts can push us to grow and evolve. In the face of the unknown, we may discover new facets of our nature, new strengths we didn't know we had. This is the true promise of interstellar exploration. As we reach for the stars, we may just find ourselves in the process.